Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be entirely frozen? To be so cold that ice crystals formed over your eyes and your entire body? Well, Lithobates sylvaticus, commonly known as the wood frog, is the only type of North American frog that can live in the Arctic region due to its incredible adaptation and ability to freeze itself alive. The wood frog is about the size of your index finger. Males and females vary in color, from browns to greens. It eats small forest invertebrates. Invertebrates are small animals that do not possess a vertebral column. Wood frogs primarily live in forested areas, hence their name. In late fall months, you will find these guys under leaf litter and topsoil, or in other words, the very top layers of the earth, where they bury themselves to prepare for the oncoming winter freeze. As their eyes freeze and ice crystals begin to form over the wood frog's body, the wood frog's liver starts to produce an unusually large amount of glucose. Glucose is a syrupy-rich solution that is flushed into all of the wood frog's cells to keep them from icing over and dehydrating. This prevents the wood frog cells from icing over and only allows the areas outside the cells to become frozen. So, by the time this process is completed, the wood frogs will have frozen eyes, frozen legs, frozen lungs, frozen livers, frozen brains, and even frozen hearts, making up about 2/3 of the wood frog's entire body. However, the wood frog is not dead. It is simply in a state of suspended life due to the extremely sugar-rich glucose that they are able to produce within their livers. This allows them to hibernate, or in other words, sleep through the winter, until spring months begin warmer temperatures and they gradually begin to thaw. This amazing natural feat has inspired scientists and other organizations to study the wood frog's freezing process very closely, in hopes that in the future they may be able to use the same mechanisms to help with human organ transplants. However, all phenomena have their limits. This freezing process works for the wood frogs due to its gradual nature. In laboratories where the process is studied, wood frogs have been placed in freezers overnight and have died. Why? Because it takes many nights over periods of weeks and months to prepare for wood frogs' bodies to freeze. It cannot just happen overnight. That being said, the unique ability to sustain one's life through extreme cold and complete freeze over is pretty extraordinary, wouldn't you say?